So class 9 is classified as healthcare. So think of a hospital, and the reason it has its own classification is that in a healthcare building and a hospital, you sometimes have people that are incapacitated, whether they've been knocked out for surgery, or they're just in coma or whatever. They just can't physically move in an emergency under their own steam. So even if you had like a day surgery where they actually put people to sleep for certain procedures, it could be classified as a 9A building. All right, so just don't think hospital. There are other cases. So then we have 9B, which are what they call assembly buildings. So don't think putting things together. It's where people assemble. All right, so town halls, assembly halls at a school, sporting stadiums, public transport, nightclubs, wherever you're going to get a lot of people in the same space, they're a class 9 building, and they're called an assembly building, class 9B. Class 9C is an aged care building. So it's similar to a healthcare building, all right, but this is for aged care. So these people have different levels of mobility. Some may be bed-bound. Basically, the people in a 9C building are going to need help to evacuate an emergency. So the fire regulations are a lot larger or a lot more stringent in a 9C building.